Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix incoming calls busy on iPhone. So first of all, you have to click on your battery icon that is present at the top right corner of your screen and drag down the control center. On your control center, you have to make sure that your do not disturb is turned off as it causes calls to be rejected automatically. Then, one more thing that you can do is to open up your iPhone settings. On your settings, you have to scroll down until you see the focus. On your focus, you have to click on Do Not Disturb. Now again scroll down and make sure that Smart Activation is turned off along with the schedule. Once you have made that sure, you can now be rest assured as this will easily fix the incoming calls busy on iPhone. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.